lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Loree, and today I want to show you how I slay the sleek low bun with soft curly side pieces. It's elegant, effortless, and perfect for any occasion. Let's get into it. I'm starting on stretch hair. You can use blow dried hair or work with an old twist out. Either works. You just don't want your hair too shrunken because we need it to lay flat and smooth. Right now, I am going in with my favorite gel. I am using the Contour Moisturizing Gel. I love it. Right here, I am preparing for the cute twist. I'm leaving 2 small pieces out on the sides. So these are what we're going to curl later for that soft romantic touch. I have already added my gel, so right now I am working in layers, smoothing it out with a hard brush from root to nape, and then I'm really taking my time here because this part really determines the whole vibe. One tip that I have for you is that you can also use a satin scarf for at least 10 minutes if your hair is being stubborn. Once my hair is nice and slick, I gather my hair into low ponytail and wrap the ends around to form a bun. You can pin it neatly or leave it a little messy if that's your vibe. So this is the fun part with these side pieces. So what I'm going to do, I'm using a little mousse and curling them with my fingers. But you can also use small wand or flex rods if you have it. And you want to keep it soft and bouncy. There you have it, my friends. So this is the final look. It looks really elegant. It is very simple. It is very quick, very easy. So let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts? What do you think about this style? Would you rock this style? It's very easy. It's good for work, for church, for wedding, for any occasion. Thanks for watching.